Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna share to you guys my second Walgreens haul for this week. And on this deal, I used my 5 of 12, 5 of 15, and 5 of 20 that I clip in my Walgreens app. And first, I got the Allspice. So the Allspice is 2 for 12. And when you buy 2, you will get $4 register reward or 4,000 points. So I grabbed 2 of Allspice. And then I used the $5 off of 12. And I used the $4 digital coupon. So my out of pocket is $3. And then I paid 18 cents of tax. So my final cost after the coupon and the 5 of 12 booster is $3.18. Then I get back 4,000 points or equivalent to $4. So I got 82 cents money maker for Allspice. So this is the Allspice that I pick up. And this is the receipt. So it's $12 and the 5 of 12 came out. And the $4 digital coupon. So my total is $3.18. Then I got 4,000 points. So this is my second transaction and I used the $5 off of 15. So I got the Olay Body Wash for 2 for 12. And when you buy 2, you will get $4 reward or 4,000 points. So I buy 2 for 12 and I use the $4 digital coupon that clip in my Walgreens app. So I grabbed the coconut oil scent and it's 650 ml. They're both the same. And then I got also the Gillette Mach 3. My husband requests this brand because this is what he's using. And I also use the $2 digital coupon for the Gillette Mach 3. So the Gillette is when you buy one, you will get $3 reward or 3,000 points. And it's on sale for $8.49. Then I got also the Crisp mouthwash that when you buy 2, you will get $4 reward or 4,000 points. So the it's priced on $2.99 each and I grabbed 2 for $5.98. So this one is 250 ml and it's been attached to $4 digital coupon. So I grabbed 2. So the total of the 3 items before the coupons are $26.47. And then I used the 5 of 15. So the subtotal is $21.47. And then the coupon came out. The $4 digital coupon for Olay, $2 for Gillette, and $4 for Crisp. So my subtotal is $11.47 and then 69 cents tax. So the total are $12.16. And then I redeemed the 10,000 points or $10. So my out of pocket is $2.16. And then I got $4 for or 4,000 points for Crisp, 4,000 points for Olay, and 3,000 points or $3 from buying the Gillette Mach 3. So I have $8.84 money maker. So 2 Olay, 1 Gillette Mach 3, and the mouthwash. So this is my receipt. The 5 of 15 came out and the 3 digital coupon, my subtotal is $11.47 and then total is $12.16 and redeeming $10 So my final cost is $2.16. So the points in these two transactions did not came out. That's why the manager just did it manually. So I got 10,000 points and 5,000 points. So total points are 15,000 points for this transaction, first and second. So this is my third transaction and I used the $5 off 20. And first I got the nice trash bag. So the nice trash bag is buy one and get one free. So this one is a 30-gallon and it's 28 bags. And the nice trash bag is $8.49. So if it's not on free, the total amount are $16.98. But since it's buy one get one free, I only paid $8.49. And then I got this deal also. So in Walgreens deal for this week, when you buy 3, you will get 1 for free. So you can mix and match these 4 items. And you can get also 3 Tide if you want, and you will get a free Tide. Or you will get 3 Downy and you will get 1 Tide for free. But I just mix and match this so that I can use the digital coupon that I clip. So the Tide liquid is $4.99 and the bouncy dryer sheet is $4.99 and the Downy liquid is $4.99. Then I got the Downy Unstoppable for free. I use a $2 digital coupon for Tide and I use a $1 coupon for Bouncy. And then I got also the Capri Sun juice drink. My daughter loved this juice drink. That's why I grabbed it. I know I'm gonna pay more out of pocket, but since it's on sale for 2 for 5, that's why I grabbed this juice. And then I have a butter rebate that I already submitted. So that is 2 for 5. And then I grab also toilet paper. So I picked the Angel Soft brand. It's 12 rolls. And it's $5 and there is 50 cents digital coupon. So this is my receipt. So the nice is buy one get one free. The Tide is $4.99. Downy is $4.99. Bouncy is $4.99. The Downy is free. The Capri Sun is 2 for 5. And then I got the Angel Soft for $5 and have 50 cents Walgreens coupon, the IVC. The 5 of 20 came out and the $2 coupon for Tide and $1 for Bouncy Dry Sheet. Then my soft total is $24.96 and $1.27 tax. So the total are $26.23. Then I redeemed $10. So my final out of pocket is $16.23. And then I get back 9,150 points. Because there's no reward that I can avail for the second. But I'm happy with my haul for this week. I save a lot. And my total out of pocket for the first transaction is $3.18. Second is $2.16. Third is $16.23. And my total out of pocket are $21.57. And have a closing balance of 9,150 points, equivalent to $9. The fact that I only start from having 13,000 points. So I got the toilet paper, I got the juice for our daughter, I got laundry detergent and dryer sheet, I got trash bag, I got 2 Olay. I got 2 Allspice. I got the Gillette Mach 3, my husband's request. And I got also the Chris mouthwash. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope everyone are safe and God bless us all.